Kloii Hummingbird TV. I'm Kloii Hummingbird, and today I'll be talking about the Revlon one-step styler and dryer combo. I just finished twisting up my hair with Olaplex number 3. You put it on, it's a bonder, so I put it on before I shampoo, and then I'm gonna wash it out, wash my hair, deep condition, and then I'm going to try out this one-step styler. I can't wait. So I guess I have to wait though, because this has to be in my hair for 10 minutes. Okay. So this is my second week using Olaplex number 3 bonding material chemistry, and I really like it. Every time I use it, I feel like my hair is a little bit stronger. And I also used Mayel deep conditioning protein mask on it as well. Okay, so I just showered. I'm fresh and so clean. I used the Olaplex number 3 bonding technology inside of my hair. I kept it on for about 15 minutes. Rinsed it out, shampoo, conditioned, deep conditioner. Mayel deep conditioner. It has proteins in it, and for me being a high porosity gal, proteins, one of my best friends. Just loved here. So now I'm about to present. Dun, 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 dun. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. This is the Revlon one-step styler. They call it one step because you dry your hair and style it all at the same time. And for curly girls who want to wear their hair straight sometimes, this is supposed to be like a gold mine. So I'm gonna try it out, see if it works as efficiency as they say, you know, as efficiently, and see if I like it, and see if these bristles work with my hair. This is what the box looks like, in case you're wondering. It's the Revlon dryer one step. It says less frizz and more shine are what they're promoting, and I got frizz, y'all. I got frizz, so let's see what happens. Things I can say I love about it so far is that I got the pink option. I think they had a white and black option as well, but I got the pink and black, and I'm super stoked on that. It's so lightweight, which I love because blow dryers can be on the heavy side, as the Revlon logo down bottom. And it has 4 settings: off, cool, low, and high. This is when it sounds like on cool. Low, high. I really love how sturdy these freaking bristles feel. Like, for curly girls, we're like, we need some tension, a little tension, and these are great. This is really good quality bristles. This padding, I love a paddle brush all day. So I'm ready to try it out.
If you're a smart cookie, you probably read the instructions or will be reading the instructions before you start your hair. But if you're like me, you'll get through halfway through your head before you read the directions and learn that you're meant to move slowly, very slowly through this process. I did about 30 brushes per section, and I think I could have did it in 15 getting my hair dry if I just slowed my hiney down, y'all. Tip for you. Food for thought.
Okay, as you can see, I used the Revlon one styler on my hair, and I just have a little bit left, and I'm gonna walk you through my process. First, I use some Mayel leave-in conditioner, and I rub it in between my palms, and I just press it into my hair, rub it on the top here, and work it through my strands, my locks, my shriggity strands. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and then I get some heat protectant serum, squirt 2 to 3 pumps in my hand, rub it in between my hands, and I start at the ends for this, and then I work my way up. Just spraying some other heat protectant in it because it just kind of adds in an extra layer of protection. I have really fine hair, and I don't know if that like makes a difference in like how much heat I can have, but just in case I like to use a little two heat protectants. Just saying. Okay, so after using this heat styler, I want to say that I noticed there is a buildup already getting on it. You probably can't see, but there's some buildup on there that I'll have to manually clean off with the, you know, toilet paper or paper towel or ear bud thing, cotton swab. Why did it take me so long to get that? Okay, cotton swab. Maybe I have to clean it off with something like that. Again, it is so lightweight. My hands, you know, when you have to like take a rest, sometimes when you have the brush and the blow dryer, no rest required. So I am loving this so far. It does get really hot. Like I can see the heat pumping out of it, like so hot. The high setting was like burning my shoulders. So as you can see, I changed my shirt here. That's how hot it was. So let's get started. I'm gonna walk you through. It's gonna be really loud, but I just want you guys to see how quickly it gets straight and dry, and you know how long it takes. Here we go.
And now, a note from our sponsors. My motto is to lead with love. That's not always easy to do, which is why I have a yoga practice that I keep going to again and again and again. My yoga practice allows me to be my best self. I want to help others be their best selves as well, and that's why I'm a yoga and mindset coach. With Kloii Hummingbird Yoga, you'll have an accountability partner, mindset coach, and yoga teacher all in one. We set goals to keep you accountable and discover what you want out of life. We'll get sweaty, have fun, and feel alive. But we'll also do the emotional work. Don't worry, you are not alone. You'll have me every step of the way. If you are ready for a full life transformation and to take control of your future, you can find the link to KloiHummingbird.com in the description box below. Hummingbird Hood is my new online store for trendy decor, cute clothes, and fitness essentials. We're fully stocked with water bottles, yoga mats, and anything your little yogi heart desires. Check it out at KloiHummingbird.com/hummingbirdhood. And if you're so curious and interested in all things Kloii Hummingbird, feel free to sign up for my newsletter on my website. Just click the newsletter button and put in your information. You'll receive a once a month email regarding everything. So my online store, my yoga services, my creative services, etc. So sign up for that newsletter. And of course, don't forget to click and subscribe on YouTube, y'all.
So there it is. Let's see, I'm going to untie my hair so you can see everything. And that's the Revlon one step. My hair feels soft and silky. My ends feel nice and straight. Nothing felt like it snagged on my ends. There was never a tangle in sight. I feel really good about this product. It cut my blow drying time literally in half. It normally is like a 3-hour process to put the bond treatment in and wait for it for 10 minutes, wash, condition, deep condition, and blow dry and straighten my hair. Just, it's a feat. Now, I don't have to go through that. I can just have a short time. And now I'm gonna do a little speed rant for you guys, just in case you wanna see the finished result of what my hair is gonna look like today. Before I forget, I'm the absolute worst at showing what products I use. So in case you want to see the products, I'm going to show you now in detail. However, I am in the middle of like a super salon quality redux of my hair products. So the products you see now may not be the products you see a month from now in future videos. I'll keep you updated. But for now, these are the products that I use that you can get at any of your local stores, Target, Ulta Beauty, Sephora, anywhere like that. This is the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector Misting Spray. I love it because it comes out as a mist. I don't love the nozzle. It's sometimes a little bit hard to press with like one hand when I'm like doing other things. What I do love about it is that it dries really fast in my hair, and I always feel like that my hair got really straight after I used it. It's 450 degrees of heat protection. I think I use between 300 and 400 degrees on my hair, and they're right, 48 hour straight finish. I feel like I have a straight finish. I am going through a frizz thing, y'all. I don't straighten my hair often, but I'm going through a straight hair phase, and I'm dealing with frizz, so this definitely does not take my frizz away. Maybe if your hair is already straight and then you straighten it to get it even straighter than straight, and then it helps you stay straight. This, for a curly girl like me who's 3C, 4A, it does not keep the frizz from coming in. I actually use 2 different heat protectant sprays. Well, the first is a spray. This is a serum. I love it because it comes off nice and silky, and it makes my hair feel silky too. It's the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Serum. I love it. It also claims to be a frizz-free serum, but I still get frizz. I digress. It's also 450 degrees, and as I'm part of the long hair club now, it says long frizzy hair. They're talking about me, guys. I have long hair now. The last product I use after I deep condition, and of course I use my deep condition and all these products in the description box below if you want to take a look or purchase any of these for yourself. I do get a little kickback from everything that you purchase, so if you want to just help a sister out, or if you're like, I must try these products, or both, feel free to click on the links. So this is the final product. I think I showed this one already, in case I haven't. This is the Mielle Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It has biotin. I have high porosity hair, so I love things that have strengthening properties in them. I just used some finishing spray. If you want to see, it's Deva Curl Flexible Hold Hairspray, lavender scented. It smells so good, y'all. I love this scent. And honestly, my hair feels so soft and silky, silkier than it's ever felt in my entire life. My ends feel nice and clean. It feels luxurious. And my hair is literally the straightest it's ever been that I've done it. Like, I don't know, maybe these salons have like salon quality blow dryers. I don't know what, but this blow dryer just made my hair exactly how I always want it. So I'm obsessed. Yes, queen. Yes, king. This is my hair 24 hours later. There is minimal frizz here, minimal like flyaways. It's still silky freaking soft. It's staying straight, so that is awesome. And honestly, this is the straightest my hair really has stayed, and I give it all up to the Revlon, y'all. Give it all up. Showing y'all, look at my messy bed. Yes. So I just wanted to show y'all what it was like 24 hours later. So that's all for now. Until next time, I wish you happiness and freedom.